Hello guys and welcome back to CJ Maths. Today we are going to solve this exponential equation 5 raised to power 2k plus 5 raised to power 2k is equal to 100. What is the value of k? So solution. We have our equation 5 raised to power 2k plus 5 raised to power 2k is equal to 100. Now looking at the left hand side, 5 raised to power 2k is appearing twice. So we can do this. 5 raised to power 2k into 5 raised to power 2k will give us 1 plus 5 raised to power 2k into this will give us 1, which is equal to 100. If we expand this, we still get back our 5 raised to power 2k. This times this give us this times this give us this. Now we have 5 raised to power 2k dot 1 plus 1, which is 2, is equal to 100. From here, we divide both sides by 2 so that 5 raised to power 2k can stand alone. So if we do that, we have 5 raised to power 2k dot 2 divided by 2 is equal to 100 divided by 2. Now 2 we cancel 2 and then we are left with 5 raised to power 2k to be equal to 2 divided by 100, which is 50. Now from here we have 5 raised to power 2k is equal to 50, but we are looking for k, so we have to solve for that. Now if you apply the logarithm rule here by taking log of both sides, we have taking log of both sides. We have log 5 raised to power 2k is equal to log 50. From here, if you apply the logarithm formula, log m to power n is equal to n log m. So which means the power will come over here, and then we are left with 2k is equal to log 5, which is equal to log 50. All right, at this point we can I mean to write 2k log 5 is equal to log 50. Now at this point we can divide both sides by log 5. If we do that, we have 2k log 5 over log 5 is equal to log 50 over log 5. So we have 2k log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 50 over log 5. So from here, log 5 we cancel out log 5, we are left with 2k is equal to log 50 over log 5. From here we have that 2k is equal to, we can split log 50 into, we can split 50 into 5 times 10. So if we replace 50 with this, we have that log 5 times 10 over log 5. So from here, if you apply the logarithm rule, which is log a b is equal to log a plus log b. So applying this into this, we have 2k is equal to log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. So from here, if we split the equation, we have 2k is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Now log 5, we cancel log 5, and then we are left with 1. So here 2k becomes equal to 1 plus log 5 log 10 over log 5. Now 10 is the same as 5 times 2. So if we apply this into this place, we have that 2k is equal to 1 plus log 5 times 2 over log 5. Now if we apply the same logarithm rule, we have 2k is equal to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. So here we have that 2k is equal to 1 if we split the fraction log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 2 over log 5, and then log 5 we cancel out log 5. 2k will be equal to 1 plus log 5 cancel out log 5, we are left with 1 plus log 2 base 5. If you apply change of base here, you get log 2 base 5. Now 2k, the law governing this is log a over log b is equal to log a base b. So with that being said, we have 2k to be equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus log 2 base 5. Now if we divide both sides by 2 so that k can stand alone, we have 2k over 2 is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5 divided by 2. So this we cancel out this, and then k will be equal to, if we split this fraction, 2 over 2 plus log 2 base 5 over 2. So if this cancels this, k will be equal to 1 plus half log 2 base 5. So this is our solution for A. Now let's verify to check if our solution satisfies the equation. So we have our equation 5 raised to power 2k plus 5 raised to power 2k is equal to 100, and then we have our solution or our value for k as 1 plus half log 2 base 5. So if you apply this into this, we have that 5 raised to power 2 into bracket 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 5 plus 5 2 1 plus half log 2 base 5 is equal to 100. So if we expand this, we have 5 raised to power 2 plus 1 times log 2 base 5, which is log 2 base 5, plus same thing here, 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 is equal to 100. Now from here, applying this formula, a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m dot a raised to power n. Now this becomes 5 raised to power 2 dot 5 log 2 base 5 plus 5 raised to power 2 dot 5 log 2 base 5 is equal to 100. So from here, 5 squared is 25, and then dot 5 raised 5 log 5 raised power log 2 base 5 is 2. Using this rule, b raised power log a base b is equal to a. So plus 5 squared is 25 dot this, which is 2, is equal to 100. So from here, 25 times 2 is 50, and then plus 25 times 2, which is 50. So this is equal to 100. Now 50 plus 50 is 100, which is equal to 100. Now our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, which proves that our solution for k is satisfies the equation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video to your colleagues, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.